what we have on the bench here today is just going to go over a kit I just received. I want to show you what's in the kit. And this is for like your small 2-cycle engines, let's say your weed whackers or your leaf blowers, things like that. They'll use something similar like this, a small carburetor. Easily, you can order these online. They're fairly inexpensive, and it comes with everything you need to, instead of rebuilding the carburetor, replace it. They work well. 90% of these things, 99% of these things work very, really well. Everything is designed correctly. Just make sure you pick out the right model and what you need. Just make sure that's what you need. Now, when you change these, make sure you change the whole carburetor. They also give you new gas lines, and 90% of the time, these gas lines are brittle and broken. And you need to change these because the whole thing works together. This has to be sealed in the gas tank for everything to work correctly. Also comes with a little air filter. You can see here a little air filter. It comes with a brand new spark plug, which is super important. You need that. It comes with a new gas filter. You should change the gas filter. You might as well just do this whole full tune-up. So you're not just changing it, you're actually tuning everything up at the same time. Now, this little gasket comes with it as well. This little gasket's really important. If your gasket that you have on your, whatever you're changing, your old a carburetor, most of the time it's probably going to be brittle and broken, and you want to use the one they give you in the kit. Right here, you can see how the holes line up. Pretty good. You can see that how they line up pretty good, not bad. That's actually fine. That'll work. And you just have to just make sure that the hole matches the hole. Make sure you do that correctly. If you do it this way, it won't work. All right, just make sure you know that. And also, it gives you a primer ball, so if it does wear out, you have an extra one, which is really nice. And also, this tool is called a Pac-Man tool. Now, what is this for? Now, it's really important. A lot of times they do come pre-adjusted. And what you have here is 2 screws here, basically, or 2 little notches. One's the high side and one's the low side. So what does that mean to you? Well, low side is idle, and high side is when you have full RPMs, when you're cranking up the engine all the way up to full throttle, and that's how you adjust both of those sides, okay? And this also adjusts the idle speed, this little screw right here. So those are the 3 adjustments. It should start right out of the box, and you might need this to adjust it. On the low, it depends if you start it and then it conks out after it warms up. You probably have to adjust that low side. Maybe it's running too rich or too lean. And also on the high side, if you're not getting enough RPMs out of it, if you feel like it's like bogging down on you, you might have to adjust the air-fuel mixture. That's what these are, basically air-fuel mixtures. Now, you don't have to be a rocket scientist or a huge mechanic to understand this. This is super easy. There's tons of tutorials online how to do that. So don't give up. Don't go spend $99 for someone else to do it. You can do it yourself for a fraction of the cost. So this is what I have for you. Hope I brought you some value and you learned a little bit about this specific carburetor. There's so many different styles online. There's so much out there to learn about, and this is just one of them. All right, guys, I appreciate it. Don't forget to follow the channel for more if I brought you some value.